So as you can see, there's also the ability to templatize. And what would happen is if you create a campaign, you can templatize that campaign, including all the different operating systems that you would like to include. So I'm going to load a pre-existing campaign for VT cycling. And as you can see here, there's all the content involved. Button label will be for the unlock screen sound when the message comes through. You have a badge, and this would be on the actual application icon. This would notify to the end user that there's an outstanding message or a new message in their inbox. Key thing I want to point out here is after they get that initial simple notification, you, the business user, have the ability to then determine where do I want to drive that customer. Do I want to drive them to open an app? Do I want to drive them to open to a URL on a web browser? Do I want to send them to a specific point within the application? Or do I want to send them and utilize this rich notification? And the rich notification sort of opens up a third level or a third layer of messaging. And before I go into that, I just want to show you how you can set up the rich notification here. There's a very nice, easy-to-use WYSIWYG editor. You can also point to pre-existing content and create it. And as you can see here, it would be rendered, and you have the ability to preview it on that particular operating system. So then I talked about that third layer. So down here, you would have the ability to determine the primary action. And that is if they would click on that rich notification, it would then send them to either a specific point within the application, a dialer, so if it's a customer service scenario, as well as a URL. And then the last part I want to show you is the measuring and the tracking, so the reporting capabilities. Reporting capabilities allow the business user to report based on each application as well as each campaign, and this would be through a date range of your selection. Some of the reporting capabilities would be application opens, click-throughs, views of certain messages, whether a message has been sent or received, and so on. So those are the reporting capabilities as well. And then these last tabs are for developers, which I will not go into today. If you have any more questions, please refer to our IBM Mobile Customer Engagement website, and thank you very much.